Okay, so hey investors, so welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we're talking about American Airlines. So Canadian ticket symbol is WIFI. Wi-Fi. So this company is engaged in 5G and also in the production, distribution and sales of an electromagnetic protection device. But yeah guys, before I get into the video, please don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe down below. And also my free Discord is linked down below, so join that free Discord for early buying opportunity. So now let's get into this video. So first of all, I'm going to give you a quick overview on this company. So the company is called American Airlines. The OTC ticker symbol is AAIRF and the Canadian CSE ticker symbol is WIFI, Wi-Fi. So the stock now is sitting at 20 cents and on the day it's down nearly 8%. So the whole market today is down as we keep seeing the sell-off in the market. So yeah guys, so before I get any further into the video, I just want to notify you that this is a sponsored video, so I've been paid to give an honest review on this company. But upon research and due diligence into this company, it does have a huge potential, so I highly recommend watching through to the whole video. But yeah guys, so now let's look at the price action for this stock over the past few months. So 6 months ago, this stock was sitting at 20 cents and we saw lows of 10 cents back in December. So since then, the stock is up 100% since its all-time lows just a few months ago. Then last month in Feb, we saw highs of 0.34. Then since then it did go back down as we saw the whole market crash and we saw a big correction in the market and a huge sell-off, and now the stock is back at 20 cents. But yeah guys, so now let's get into what this company actually does. So American Airlines is engaged in the production, distribution and sales of an electromagnetic protection device. So this company has three products. The first one is the Air Shield Pro, the second one is the Aries Defender Pro, and the third one is the Aries Guardian. And they've also got more products which is in the development phases. So this company's revenue essentially derives from the sales of this electromagnetic protection device. So yeah guys, so to fully understand the potential in this company, you need to understand the importance of their product. So the World Health Organization and several world leading health organizations all claim that there is a significant health risk associated with electromagnetic radiation. So electromagnetic radiation refers to the waves of electromagnetic field radiating through space carrying electromagnetic radiant energy. So this includes radio wave and microwave, infrared light, UV, X-ray and also gamma ray, and all these emission is growing in an alarming rate. And with the 5G coming out, this poses a greater risk to the product because these emissions, these radiation entering the body can be potentially harmful to the body and also the body cell. So this is why it's advised not to sleep next to your phone because of the radiation emission that's coming out your phone. And now with the 5G coming out or the 5G being out, this poses a greater risk to the general public. So now this company has created an electromagnetic protection device which basically reduces the harmful effects of the radiation from the electromagnetic. So yeah, so this company's device can be used in almost any electronic device. So this includes cell phones, tablets, baby monitors, routers, laptops, monitors, smart TV and a lot more. So if you take a look here, this is how the device look. So as you can see, it's a small silver magnetic chip or like a circle chip which can be placed on your phone or on all four corners of your tablet and laptop. So this makes it very, very convenient for the user because it doesn't take up a lot of space. And how it works is it reduces the conflict between the external radiation and the radiation from the body cell, and this prevents the radiation from entering the body and potentially harming the body cell. So now let's go over some reason as to why this company has a huge potential. So the company expects to end 2021 with approximately 400% market potential. So that is huge. And also this company is in an underserved market, which means they can capture a huge portion of that market before other companies start creating similar devices. Then also very recently, the company launched a 5G optimized product line. So this is specifically compatible with 5G technology. So this is huge for the company as more 5G products start coming out on the market. Then also the company has appeared to upgrade their website, their e-commerce business, which is expected to be able to deliver roughly 10,000 products per day. So already this company is basically set up for scalable growth. So this company is positioned for growth. So they're able to deliver 10,000 products per day through their e-commerce platform. So that is huge for future growth and also future sales and future revenue. Then now if we get into recent news about the company, so recent news came out that the company plans to enter the pet market, and this is in response to consumers' demand. And already it appears that this company has begun sales of their pet product. So this pet product is claimed to be a one-of-a-kind product for consumers, and it protects pets against the potential harmful effect of electromagnetic radiation. So it does have a similar effect, or does a similar thing as the other device. So it protects the pet from electromagnetic radiation. So this is huge for the company, especially now because the pet market now is booming due to the pandemic. So a lot more people are adopting pet or spending more money on pet because pets essentially can act as companionship during this pandemic. So a lot more people have been adopting pets because if you're isolating on your own, then it gets very lonely. So people turn to pets for companionship. So in 2020, I believe the sales for pet products was 90 billion in 2020. So that was a record 90 billion spent on pets in 2020. So that was huge. So a lot of people were investing more money into pets. So this company's pet products coming out on the market when it did, now is a perfect time to capture a huge portion of this market, because now a lot more people are willing to spend more money on their pets. So yeah guys, so overall this company is in a growing space and has a strong technical and also a long-term potential as its product increases in demand as more 5G technology comes out on the market. So as you know, this is just the beginning for 5G product. So the 5G space is going to keep growing, and I can see this company grow alongside this 5G space. So that is huge. So this company does have a clear growth potential. Then if we take a look at what the CEO had to say, he said, as a result of the combination of all these factors, the company expects to end 2021 with approximately $10 million plus in revenue, which is nearly 400% growth, projecting to break even by July 2021. So this is huge. So already this company are projected to break even by July mid this year, and also expected $10 million in revenue this year, and that's a 400% growth year on year. So that is huge for the stock price. So yeah guys, so this company is in a growing market, there's a growing demand, and also this company has an innovative product, and also they're in an underserved market whereby not a lot of companies is producing the same kind of product that this company is producing. So this company is set up nicely for future growth. But yeah guys, so let me know what you think down below in the comment section about the company. But yeah guys, as always, don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe down below. And like I said, this is a sponsored video, so I was paid to give my honest opinion on this stock. But yeah guys, thank you for watching this video, and also my free Discord is linked down below, so check out that free Discord. But yeah guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.